Today, I'm going to show you how to use whey protein. This is Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard whey protein that I use. I like the flavor and its nutritional profile, as well as, did I say flavor? This is vanilla ice cream flavor, 24 grams of protein per serving, 5.5 grams of BCAAs, as it says. Now I have a shaker bottle, and I usually use my shaker bottle to make my whey protein, but I also have just a mason jar with water in it. And I'm going to be making the whey protein in both of these, so you can compare and contrast. In the shaker bottle, there is a shaker ball, looks like a spring, metal spring inside there. And this blender bottle, shaker bottle, that's the name of the manufacturer, blender bottle, comes with a top and an opening for easily pouring the whey protein into a different cup or just drinking it all together. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use the whey protein. I'm going to open it up from the top. And inside should be a scoop that gives me one serving when full, approximately. So I'm going to take the vanilla ice cream flavored whey protein and put a scoop in just the water that's inside of the mason jar. Then I'm going to add water, the same amount of water, to the protein shaker made by blender bottle. Adjust my camera a little bit. I'm going to add protein to the protein shaker bottle as well. And the point of me doing this is to show you, to compare and contrast the difference between mixing in both of these vessels. So I put the top on to the blender bottle, shaker bottle, and I'm going to shake it. But in the mason jar, I'm going to stir it, James Bond style. And you can see stirring method that I'm doing inside of the mason jar. It mixes it, but there's a lot of clumps. One of the benefits with mixing it in a protein shaker bottle with the protein shaker ball inside is that it mixes thoroughly compared to just stirring it inside of a cup or a mason jar. And I'll show you. Pouring it inside of this empty mason jar, you can see how smooth the texture is with very little clumps or very few clumps, as opposed to the cup where I just stirred it with a spoon. You can see it's not as mixed. There's clumps in the jar on the right. As well, it's not as smooth as the jar on the left. So once you've mixed it, I go ahead and consume this, and to get the whey protein going. That's how you use whey protein. This is just a general guide. Read the instructions for your particular protein and consult your physician before using any supplement.